Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I'll show you how to install the Vanced tube to your Android TV device without downloader. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So on your Android TV device, what you need to use to install the Vanced tube to your Android TV device is the APK Time application. Now, if you are wondering how to get APK Time to your Android TV device without downloader, then in the description of this video, please watch the guide I have added that is going to help you to get APK Time to your Android TV device without downloader. So after getting that APK Time, all you need to do is to go ahead and launch it. And once you've launched it, come down to the option that says Player and Browsers. Here's it over here, and browse to the bottom of these options here. In the bottom, we have the Vanced application, and here's it over here. All you need to do is download the application to your Android TV device. Click download, and the application is going to be downloaded. Once it's done downloaded, then you can install it to your Android TV device by just clicking install. That's it. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.